Hello, I'm Steve, this is Bit of Munch, and it's day 2 of Tin Food Week. And today, I'm trying this Morrisons Bacon Grill. No artificial colours, it says. Rich and smoky, perfect grilled or fried. And this was £2 for a 300 gram tin. There's not many ingredients in this, so I'll read you all the ingredients actually. First of all, the description. Cured chopped pork with smoked flavouring and spice extracts. And the ingredients are pork 65%, water, potato starch, pork fat, pork rind, salt, emulsifier, sodium caseinate, stabiliser, sodium triphosphate, smoke flavouring, sugar, preservative, sodium nitrate and spice extracts. This can be eaten hot or cold. Heating suggestions: slice the meat and fry or grill for 3 minutes on each side. So that's what I'll do. Now, I'll get it open in a minute. I'll use the strange key device on the bottom there to get it open. I'll try a slice cold, and then I'm going to fry a slice, and I'm going to put it in one of these Hovis Farmhouse Cheddar Muffins, which I got today from Sainsbury's, and they were £1.50. And I'm going to do an egg in one of these things, well, also in the frying pan. If you haven't seen these or used these silicone egg rings are great. You can get the eggs looking like the eggs in McDonald's McMuffins. They're really good. Well, what I've found though, I've used them a few times now, you have to put oil, obviously there's going to be oil in the pan, and you have to put oil all the way around the inside of the ring and underneath it to make sure that the egg doesn't stick and this doesn't stick to the pan. And a slice of plastic cheese. So I'm going to have a bacon grill and egg muffin. Right, I'll get that open and cut a slice off. So we'll try a slice cold first, see what it's like. Thought you might like to see me opening it. I've put the little key on, so you have to wind it round. I haven't done this sort of thing for years. Quite satisfying actually, for some strange reason. Hey, look at that. Made a little corkscrew, metal corkscrew. Right, stick that there. Let's have a look at it. There's what it looks like. Right. Oh yeah, it does. It smells bacony. It smells like sort of bacony spam. And I haven't had spam for years. And yes, perhaps I should have bought a tin of spam to compare it, but I didn't. Okay? Right, I'll get that out of the tin, cut a slice off and try it. Came out of the tin surprisingly easy. I just stuck a knife down the side there to loosen it a little bit and out it slid. Right, and there it is. No doubt some of you are now going to comment, "Oh, that looks disgusting, mate. I wouldn't feed that to me dog." I'm bound to get comments like that. Do I care? Not really. Right, I'll just cut a thin slice off. It's got a little bit of jelly around the edge as well, which could be a good thing. Let's give it a go. Very, very salty. And highly processed. Not that great, to be perfectly honest. I think it's going to be an awful lot better fried. When I was a kid, my mum sometimes used to fry spam for me for dinner. So fried spam, chips and beans, homemade chips she used to do. And I used to really enjoy that. So can't really recommend it cold. Just get a bit of kitchen roll to wipe my fingers. I've usually got a bit ready when I do these videos, but I didn't have a bit, so. Right, so I'll get a slice of that fried, do my egg, and construct my muffin. Right, there it is. There's my creation. Bacon grill, egg and cheese muffin. I've toasted the muffin as well. I just thought it might be best. And I fried 2 slices so I can try one on its own. And also, I cut a slice first and I thought, that's not really thick enough. So I cut another slice to go in that a bit thicker. I thought it'd be a good way to try it as well. So, here we go. Morrisons bacon grill. If I can cut it, I thought I'd be able to cut this with my knife. And my fork, I mean. This is a fork, Steve. I know that. I'm going to get there. I am. No, I'm not. I'll tell you what. Just hold it. Right, here we go. Mmm. Oh, that's the way to eat it. Yeah, definitely. It's really difficult to cut this with a knife while holding the plate. So I'll put the plate down a second. I'm just cutting it up. Right, there we go, all cut up. Right. Mmm. That is so much better fried. It really is. Yes, it's still incredibly salty, but it's almost got a taste of bacon about it. A slightly softer sort of bacon. And it's just really, really tasty. Not one to have if you're watching your salt levels. I don't know if there was a... Have I cut it off? I don't know. You'll be able to find the nutrition information on Morrisons' website if you really want to have a look. So let's try my muffin. I've definitely hit on an idea there. That is great. And because this bit here hasn't actually got any of the meat in it, as you can see, the egg has cooked perfectly in that ring. What I did, once it was very nearly cooked, I very carefully removed the ring, making sure that no egg was still seeping out. And it wasn't, so I took the ring off and I flipped the egg over just for, I don't know, kind of 30 seconds or so. And yeah, one more bite and I'm going to go and sit down and really enjoy the rest of this. So, Morrisons bacon grill. Don't have it cold. Have it fried. Have it like that if you want to. I mean, if you don't want it like that, don't have it like that. You know, the rest of this, well, I think I might have another one of these. Not right now, but perhaps tomorrow. And then, yeah, fry it up with chips and beans. Why not? Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay, so I think I've said it all, haven't I? There it is, upside down. There it is, the right way up. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you've tried anything like this. Let me know if you've done anything like that with this or with Spam, or, yeah, your thoughts in general. Your thoughts on life. There you go. And tune in tomorrow for another tin food review. Thanks for watching.